All right, let's just jump right into this explainer. Look at that high contrast, bold title. It perfectly sets the tone for the massive scale we're talking about today. We hear so much hype about generative AI, right? But today we are decoding the actual blueprint for how one of the world's largest companies didn't just buy AI, but actually got hundreds of thousands of people to use it effectively at an enterprise level.
Just let this number sink in for a second. 743,000. That is how many people Accenture is rolling out Microsoft 365 Copilot to. To put that massive scale into perspective, it's basically like deploying AI to the entire population of Denver. We are literally talking about the largest enterprise Copilot deployment to date, spreading across more than 120 countries.
And the early results? Honestly, they are staggering. Out of a massive sample size of 200,000 users, 97% of employees are saying they can knock out routine tasks 15 times faster. That's not a 15% bump, guys. That is a 15x speed multiplier on their daily workflows. Over half also reported significant tangible improvements in overall productivity.
So how did they pull this off? Deploying to a crowd that size takes way more than just flipping a switch. Which brings us to Section 1, the People First Playbook, going beyond the tech switch.
Well, it actually starts with a mindset. Tony Lareris, Accenture's CIO, really hits the nail on the head here. He says, Copilot is a personal digital colleague, and that is absolutely crucial. They didn't frame this AI as just some hidden background software. They framed it as a digital coworker. And just like a human coworker, it requires onboarding and understanding to truly change the way you research, ideate, and execute.
Now, you might be wondering, does the hype actually match reality? Check this out. New enterprise software usually just gathers digital dust, right? But out of a 200,000 user sample, a massive 89% are actively using Copilot every single month. They aren't just opening it once and ditching it, it's become a staple of their daily routine. And honestly, this next part is even more impressive. 84% of those surveyed said they would deeply miss the tool if it was taken away. No way people say that unless it's actually fixing genuine daily pain points, right? As Laurent points out, if it wasn't delivering real value, people simply wouldn't use it. They achieved this insane adoption rate through 3 really specific phases. First up, an executive pilot involving a few hundred senior leaders. Second, highly tailored leadership training, because, let's be real, you can't just shove a one-size-fits-all mandate down people's throats. And third, they sparked organic peer sharing on Viva Engage. By giving early adopters a pedestal to share their wins, they naturally inspired the rest of the company.
Let's see what this looks like on the ground. Moving to Section 2, Unlocking Creative Confidence, specifically looking at Accenture's global marketing and communications team.
This before and after is a real game changer. Before Copilot, keeping global brand consistency was just a nightmare of endless, agonizing review cycles. Someone in one country writes a piece. Someone across the world corrects the tone. It took forever. Now, teams are achieving instant brand alignment. Because the brand kit is embedded, the AI drafts and checks the content automatically, completely eliminating duplicate work.
Adoption in this specific department is a sky-high 93%. And what the team lead calls a major unlock here is just pure confidence. This embedded knowledge means even non-creative or non-technical staff feel completely empowered to take big swings. They're drafting storyboards from scratch and even building their own custom AI agents to streamline their specific daily tasks.
But marketing isn't the only area seeing huge gains. Let's look at Section 3, Supercharging Sales at Scale, focusing on Avanade's D3 tool.
So Avanade, that's the joint venture between Accenture and Microsoft, they use the exact same underlying tech to build an AI sales intelligence solution called D3, or Data-Driven Decisions. Powered by Copilot, it pulls together internal data, external sources, the whole shebang. It basically arms the sales team with hyper-relevant context before they ever even talk to a client.
Think about what this replaces. Before, sellers would spend days, sometimes weeks, manually burying themselves in dense 8K and 10K financial reports just to prep for a client. Now, Copilot synthesizes all that complex industry research and delivers it in literally seconds. The AI does the analytical heavy lifting so the human can focus entirely on building the relationship.
And the so what of all that saved time is undeniable. Active 3.3 users are generating 43% more sales opportunities than the folks not using the tool. That is an absolutely massive competitive advantage right on the front lines of revenue generation.
My favorite part of this whole sales transformation, though, brand new junior sellers, people with maybe 1 or 2 years of experience, are suddenly firing off emails with the strategic insight of 20-year industry veterans. By pairing these AI tools with shared Copilot notebooks and call transcripts, the entire workforce gets instantly leveled up.
Of course, you don't get viral growth without serious infrastructure running behind the scenes. That brings us to Section 4, Embedded Tech and Security, the Mechanics of Scale.
Here's the secret sauce. Accenture didn't build some separate, clunky AI destination you have to remember to visit. It's embedded directly into the Microsoft 365 workflow everyone already uses all day. Plus, it's multimodal, meaning it taps into the distinct strengths of both ChatGPT and Claude. And it's backed by incredibly granular privacy controls to dynamically disable features based on strict local data regulations.
And they absolutely need those strict security guardrails because Copilot is reasoning over a mind-boggling 24 petabytes of internal corporate data. Seriously, to put 24 petabytes into perspective, that's like streaming HD video nonstop for over 60,000 years. It securely taps into this massive ocean of SharePoint and OneDrive data to give incredibly accurate company-specific answers.
Which leads us to our final takeaway in Section 5, the AI reinvention catalyst. Lead with people.
Because despite all this impressive tech and scale, the biggest lesson here is surprisingly human. I love this insight from CIO Tony Lararis. He says, real value from AI investments like Copilot doesn't come from simply turning it on. It comes from investing in your people. You simply do not get 15x speed improvements just by paying for software licenses. You earn those results through dedicated change management and tailored training.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to ask yourself about your own organization. Are you just flipping the switch on the latest tech and hoping for the best? Or are you actually actively empowering your human colleagues to completely reinvent how they work? If you lead with people, AI becomes a true catalyst. Think about that, and I'll catch you on the next one.